esteemed Brother Justice Surya, esteemed Brother Justice Dhiraj Singh Thakur, Honorable Judges of the Andhra Pradesh High Court, Advocate General, members of the Bar Council, senior advocates, Dr. Surya Prakasa, Vice-Chancellor DSNLU, Registrar DSNLU, esteemed members of the academics and administrative fraternity, distinguished guests, dear students, proud parents and families, gracious ladies and gentlemen. It is a matter of immense honor and a joy to stand before you today at the combined convocation ceremony 2025 of Damodaram Sanjivayya National University, Visakhapatnam. For me, this is an occasion is also deeply personal, as I have had an honor to serving as the Chancellor of the esteemed university in the past. Dear students, today we do not merely confer degrees. In fact, the message is clear. You have preserved, you have grown, you are ready to take the next leap. But before you look ahead, pause and look back to the professors who challenged you, the friends who stood by you, the staff who supported you, and above all, your parents, your first guide, defenders, and teachers. You are now stepping into a profession that is not merely a career, but a calling, a path where each word you speak could uphold a right, and each silence could enable a wrong. Allow me to share few lines of the famous poem Invictus by William Ernest Henley. It matters not how straight the gate, how charged with punishments the scroll. I am the master of my fate. I am the captain of my soul. These lines are timeless reminder that no matter how difficult the path or severe the consequences, we retain command over our destiny. There are many ready-made molds, but if they do not fit you, have the courage to break them and make your own. Let your journey be your own. The study of law is unlike any other discipline. In most fields, you are taught to understand the world as it is. In law, you are trained to imagine and shape the world as it ought to be. And so I ask you, when you enter in a courtroom, in your future, do not look at your client as a case file. Look at them as a human being. Do not look at your opposing counsel as an enemy. Look at them as a fellow officer of justice. Do not look at a judge as someone to impress, but as someone to assist in the discovery of truth. Overall, it is the courtrooms watching, listening, arguing that you will learn the true practice of law. Academic learning gives you theory, but it is only before the court that you experience the law in motion. For any younger lawyer, there is no substitute for this exposure. The imbalance of every few lawyers choosing alternate roles over litigation is one of concern. Because if the brightest mind avoid the courtroom, access of justice is weakened. Litigation is not a fallback. It is the heart of justice, where the Constitution comes alive and every courtroom becomes a stage for courage. Indeed, you will face challenges. Some of you may be the first in your family to enter the legal profession. Some of you may doubt yourself, while some of you may feel disadvantaged compared to others. But let me assure you, grit, discipline, and sincerity can and will outperform privilege. Do not measure your journey by yardstick of others. Let your integrity be your compass, your hard work your constant companion, and your determination your guiding flame. Competition is real in this profession, and that is the beauty of it. It is only when you stand shoulder to shoulder, their fair competition, that your true proficiency is tested and your determination proven. Please remember, your growth and need to come at the cost of need not to come at the cost of someone else's. When you follow the two tenets of the practice, day after day, success becomes inevitable. There is a room in this country and in the courts for every voice that seeks it in good faith. In the race to become successful, do not lose sight of your independent thought process. True excellence lies not just in measuring what is taught, but in thinking beyond it. The legal profession needs not just intelligent mind, but original ones. Before I conclude, allow me to leave you with a final reflection in the words of Swami Vivekananda. Vivekananda said, "Arise, awake, and stop, not till the goal is reached." Your greatest qualification will not be your degree, your placement, or your rank in this profession. It will be your commitment, persistence for the pursuit of justice, humility and empathy, ability to adopt to technological advancement, proficiency for the law and courage, and at last, the excellence. To take an unpopular case, to speak out against injustice, to walk away from what is wrong. At the end, from the bottom of my heart, I sincerely congratulate to each of you. Go forth, not just as graduate or postgraduate, but as guardians of the Constitution, defenders of the justice, and custodians of Dharma. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.